What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I'm going to share my ups and my downs and chasing of the dreams and navigating through life's unexpected turns through my photography, my storytelling. I'm going to talk about the resilience I've had to have, and can you believe it? Another year is gone. 2024. This is December 21st, 2024. And so another year has flown by, and wow. It's crazy. 2024 is almost over. Like I said, it's December 21st, 2024. We've only got a few days left in the year. 4 days till Christmas. Let's talk about everything that we've accomplished, the lessons that we've learned, and of course what's coming up next year. All right? So first off, let's talk about the wins. This year, I made some bold moves. I closed my businesses. I sold a lot of my stuff, and on December 1st of last year, I packed up and moved across the country. Wow, 3,000-mile trip. It's been crazy, but with each step, whether backwards and forwards, it's got me closer to pursuing my dreams. You know, I started this type of channel a year ago, and I had hopes and dreams to really make this my full-time gig. And we'll get back to that later, but I am closer to making that a reality, and none of this would be possible without your guys' support. You guys are an incredible community. I have grown from basically 0 followers a year ago to just over 1,500 followers today. None of this would be possible without you guys continually subscribing, making comments, watching my videos, and I just gotta say thank you. Thank you for every comment and share. You guys have been the heart of this channel. So what was your favorite moment that I did this year? Drop in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. I'd love to know what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong, or what I'm doing that is right but could be adjusted a little bit. Of course, every year comes with its own challenges. And this one, let me tell you, was no exception. It's been crazy. After the move, I planned to open up a photo studio. I planned on having a full YouTube production house going, but life had other plans. About 6 months after moving here, I was in a car accident. It cost $13,000 worth of damages to my truck. Not to mention the damage it did to my body that will probably be very long lasting. On top of all that, I've had to travel back and forth to Oregon to deal with family stuff, more moving stuff, and then after I exhausted a lot of my resources, my tenants to my house cost over $10,000 worth of damages. I took a day job driving ambulances to try and help support my family. Then the hurricane season hit Florida, and I was deployed to help evacuate other families and other people across the state. This year has been full of distractions. It's pulling me away from my YouTube channel, it's pulling me away from my photography, but I've persevered. I haven't given up, and I don't plan to. If you face challenges this year, just know that you're not alone. Let's keep supporting each other, and let's continue to grow. I want to take a moment and give a massive shout out to some of you who have gone above and beyond this year. Your support, whether it's been through encouraging comments on this channel or just showing up and watching the videos, it means the world to me. You guys seriously are the best. Now let's talk about what's next. What's coming in 2025? Despite the setbacks, I'm optimistic and I'm determined to make my dreams come true. I'm refocusing on growing this channel, working towards finally opening up my photographic studio, and I can't wait to share this journey with you. One thing that has been great in 2024 is because I had to refocus how I was shooting and what I was shooting, I got to discover a lot of new passions, like wildlife photography. There's so much to look forward to. I can't wait to share this journey with you. I know this sounds cheesy, but I can't wait to film new videos and show everything that I have going on. Before I wrap this up, I really just want to say thank you one more time. Thanks for being part of this journey. Every view, every comment, every share, every moment that we've spent here together means the world to me. Let's make 2025 amazing together. I gotta say, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on those notifications so you know when I make a new video. You don't want to miss what's coming up. 2025 is going to be amazing. Until next time, stay awesome, stay focused, stay you.